a wonderful day and I'm embarking on a new trek. Well, today I'm exploring a new place. It's a medieval fort, such a clean and serene environment. I feel sometimes I need nothing more. Hi, hello, welcome to a new video. Today we are in Channrayanadurga. It's always a nice experience to go on an early morning bike ride. Thankfully there is not much traffic today and I can easily get out of the city. On my way to Channrayanadurga, right now I'm in Tumkur Road, feeling a bit hungry, and now I'm somewhere near Kyachandra. I finally managed to find a hotel and here I'm having a delicious tatte idli. After all, I need more energy and strength to climb Channrayanadurga hill. Now I am heading to my destination and have some distance to cover. I feel I took the same route on my earlier visit to Madhugiri. After some time, I have finally reached Channrayanadurga. It took me about 2 hours to reach here from Bangalore. It's very close to Tumkur and also to Madhugiri. Channrayanadurga has a fort and I'm really looking forward to learn more about it. Come, let's explore it. It's a bit of effort to reach to the base of the hill. Villagers did guide me. I had to make my way through some of the village lanes. I did come across a small Shiva temple here. Took God's blessings and got on with my trek. The terrain is a bit slopey initially, so be a bit careful during your trek. Just a few minutes onto my trek, and here is the first view. This is so encouraging. Isn't it such a nice view of the village? Channrayanadurga has a fort. It is said to be constructed by Palegara King Chikkapppa Gowda. During your trek, you can come across these fort walls quite often. This fort basically has 3 distinct levels. You are guided by these arrow marks on your way. Well, I feel I have much more distance to cover. I still cannot get a sight of the top of the hill. Today the climate is a bit cool. Trekking hills around Bangalore can be much easier if we come around September to February. Out of these 3 layers of the fort, I am assuming I am at the first level now. As I reach here, I can see some of the structures, they are damaged. Seems these were all done by the treasure hunters. I hope someone takes care of this. Well, this fort I got to know that is infested by treasure hunters. They have dug up this place in order to find some hidden treasure. I feel we need to be making efforts to preserve these wonderful places and heritage for our future generations. From here I am continuing my trek. Just be careful while climbing some parts of this hill. They are a bit tricky and slippery. From here we are now heading to our remaining part of the trek. As we head towards the top, we have to go through some dry and thorny shrubs. Well, we are almost reaching the top now. Just check the structure. It is resting on a single pillar. There are so many structures here which you get to see on your way. Coming to the history of the fort, the control of this fort moved first from the Palegas to the Marathas, then to the Mysore kings, and finally to Tippu Sultan. This used to be the weapon storage facility for Tippu Sultan. It seems this was a very important center in the supply chain of weapons for Tippu Sultan. This was the very place where the iron ore used to be smelted. The bricks which you are seeing right now on these fort walls are said to be constructed during Tippu Sultan's time. Just like Chitradurga and Madhugiri, here too we can see rainwater harvesting. At this height of the hill, I'm pretty surprised and happy to see such kind of tanks. On my way, I also came across a Ganesha temple. It's right now in ruins. This temple is pretty interesting and has its own unique style. Next to it, I see a small pond. The breeze here is so gentle and cool. I took some rest here. I think when you plan your trek, do take some occasional breaks, drink sufficient amount of water. Well, now we have reached almost to the top of the hill. I feel so happy reaching to the top of Channrayanadurga. It's always so satisfying to reach to the top of the hill. Well, I have reached to the top now. So while you're climbing, you feel as if you have reached to the top, but most of the time you get deceived. Do carry a lot of water and food. There is nothing you get here. At the distance, I also see a Madhugiri fort. Just to summarize, Channrayanadurga is such a wonderful trekking destination. However, when compared to Madhugiri, I do see less people around here. Well, I feel so great here. I think you too should explore this place. After trekking for about 2 hours, it was indeed great to have my lunch here. I hope you liked my today's video. As I said earlier, Channrayanadurga is surely a must-visit trekking destination, so do plan a visit here. Trekking Channrayanadurga was indeed wonderful. Trust me, you should be coming here. If you like my today's video, do hit the like button and let me know